Hi everybody, I'm Florida Trailblazer, exploring the history and wilderness of Florida. Today I'm out here roaming through these woods along this abandoned railroad line. And today, nature has reclaimed this entire area during the 1800s and into the early 1900s. This was a thriving place. You had trains coming through here delivering goods and products. It was a main form of transportation for many people in these areas back in those days. In fact, railroads all around Florida during those times were very vital to the growth of many small towns and communities. So when you're out here roaming through the woods, exploring along these old railroad lines and places like that, you can just sense the history. It takes you back into time, and it's great to experience that and learn about these places. Starting to see some traces from the past here on this railroad line, and there's an old railroad spike here. Take a look at this. Exploring along the railroad line here, I'm starting to see some railroad ties. You can see a couple of them here. This one's broken up a little bit. That one's more intact. Take a look at this. It's hard to see if you're not looking closely, but there's a barrel ring here. Appears to be one, of course. It's right there. Some more railroad ties down here. So nice walking along this railroad line. And this particular area goes through these open pasture areas, these farmlands. And it's just so beautiful out here in the middle of nowhere. And normally I wouldn't be able to get out to this area. Pretty far out here in the middle of these fields. But because this railroad line cuts through these areas, it's nice to be able to access this part of the wilderness and see all these open pastures, and the land just goes on for miles. Getting further along this railroad line, goes on for quite a ways. In fact, this railroad line travels from the eastern side of Florida all the way up towards the western, northwestern areas of Florida. So it's a really long railroad line that was used. Really enjoy exploring these old railroad lines. Always come out just to experience them, see where they lead. Sometimes you find some fascinating history along them. Even going back to when I was a kid, I'd go out to these areas follow these abandoned railroad lines for miles just to see where I could go and just get lost in the woods. Made it to this area along the railroad line where an old trestle used to be, and it's very overgrown. It's really hard to see how much of this trestle remains. It's been here for quite some time. Let's go investigate around the area, see what we can discover. Very overgrown here. As you can see, through this area is where the trestle was. Part of it still remains. I can actually see it there. Trains would have crossed this area, crossed the bridge. Making my way around this bridge area. And there's a river down there. Just gotta be very careful walking down in around this area because there's a lot of loose rocks. There's a lot of vines on top of these rocks, so as I'm hiking my way down here, starting to see more of the trestle. It's opening up. Be very careful here. A lot of loose rocks I've been walking on. Look at this amazing trestle, or what remains of it. Made my way down to this trestle area, and it was quite the challenge to reach this spot, hiking over those loose rocks and the vines, going through that brush, but it was well worth the challenge because this is a relic from the past. And if you are exploring and venturing into places like this, I want to stress on how you need to be careful and safe when you're doing so. I'm out here in the middle of nowhere, so it's very critical that I'm careful as I explore around here and be observant. See where the trestle crossed over here. Let's go take a closer look at this. The river here where the bridge crossed over. Such a scenic area. So peaceful out here. Let's get some views from underneath this trestle. The view from the other side. This place is incredible. This is one of the larger abandoned trestles I've come across out here in the wilderness, and it's amazing to be able to experience this place still after all these years. I've been down here walking around just taking in all this history and this beautiful nature that surrounds us as well. I like the smell of railroad trestles too. There's just a smell to them when you're out here. You can just, the wood, so old. Definitely wouldn't be safe to walk across this trestle. Beautiful views of the river there behind me.